Fencing the Blackbird with Nick Nack. They even know that's too close.
Just had a shit on.
Oh. In the mixer.
Oh, nice work.
Well played.
Jim Boy, the man.